Navratri. The next day, Navratri was going to begin, and in the evening, Gattu and Chinky were sitting together chatting.
Tinky, I am super excited for Dandiya night tomorrow. Papa got us tickets for the biggest Dandiya night in the city. Yes, Kattu, you're right. Do you know the best dancer in Dandiya night will win an award? There are 2 awards in this Dandiya nights. Best Mr. Dandiya Champion and Miss Best Dandiya Champion. What? How do you know all this, Tinky? Oh, Gattu, Papa also bought a pamphlet when he bought the tickets, and it was written in the pamphlet only.
Meanwhile, in another room, Mummy was preparing for the Navratri puja. Suddenly, she came to Gattu and Chinky and said to Chinky,
Tinky, I need to get some important items from the market. Come with me to the market, and Gattu, you stay home until Papa returns. Okay, Mummy.
Mummy and Chinky went shopping. Chinky noticed that the market looked very different that day. The whole market was sparkling with different types of decoration items. There were crowds buying colorful chanya cholis, and colorful dandiya were also being sold everywhere.
Wow, Mummy, the market looks so beautiful today. Yes, Tinky, and the market will continue to shine so brightly till Navratri lasts. By the way, Mummy, what do you need to buy? First, we need to buy a Garba Deep, which we can use during puja in every Navratri. Oh, got it, Mummy. But what is that? Chinky, traditional Garba starts with that deep. First, we place the Garba Deep at home and then we perform Garba around it. Only after performing that can we start Navratri Garba. Oh, but Mummy, why have I not seen you doing that before? Because Chinky, you always get so excited that you run downstairs to meet your friends. Oh yes, Mummy, you're right. But it won't happen this time. This time, I will also set up the Garba Deep. Wow, that's a great idea, Chinky. Then I will get you a special little Garba Deep too. And you can do the puja.
Hearing this, Chinky felt very happy. Then Mummy took her to a big shop. In that shop, there were many puja items and Garba Deeps on display. All the Garba Deep were decorated beautifully. Seeing them, Chinky was very excited.
Bhaiya, give us one big and one small Garba Deep.
As Mummy asked, the shopkeeper handed them a big and a small Garba Deep. Both the deep were stunning, adorned with pearls. After that, Mummy and Chinky went to shop dandiya and chanya cholis, and then they returned home. Gattu looked at the Garba Deeps of Mummy and Chinky and exclaimed,
Oh wow, Chinky, what is this? It looks so beautiful.
Is this the Garba Deep? So Chinky, you also got one this time?
Yes, Papa. Somebody tell me also, what is it? This is... Mummy, wait. Let me explain, Gattu.
Hearing Chinky, Mummy and Papa chuckled. And then Chinky explained everything about the Garba Deep to Gattu. The next day, Gattu and Chinky woke up early, took bath and got ready. Then they went to the temple.
Kids, you have come at the right time. Let's set up the Garba Deep. Okay, Mummy.
Chinky placed her Garba Deep on a small platform and she started performing puja by following Mummy's steps. As Mummy performed the rituals, Chinky also followed along. After they finished Navratri puja, everyone sat together and Chinky said,
Mummy, Papa, Gattu, do you all remember that we need to practice hard for Dandiya night?
Of course, you never let us forget about that, Chinky. We know that we must perform the best dandiya in the dandiya night.
Then let's start practicing it, Papa. Okay, watch me and do as I say. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Round, round.
Chinky was a dandiya expert, so she taught everyone some dandiya steps. While they practiced, evening arrived and everyone began to get ready. Come on kids, get ready quickly. We need to do one last puja before going. Only after that we'll be able to play dandiya. Mummy helped Chinky get ready. She styled Chinky's hair in nice hairstyle and decorated them with colorful clips. Chinky wore a beautiful and colorful chaniya choli with matching bangles.
Wow, Chinky, you look really beautiful. Thank you, Gattu. You look great too. Really. Alright, let's go. And let's do the puja and then dance in a circle around the Garba Deep.
Then the four of them started dancing around the Garba Deep, and Gattu and Chinky had a blast. After that, they hopped in the car and headed to the Dandiya night event.
Wow, this place is huge, Mummy and Papa.
Yes, this is the biggest ground in the city. Many big events are organized here.
Yes, and the lights and the music here are just amazing. You can hear the music already.
So let's go inside and enjoy. Once inside, everyone was astonished. There were so many people and a big stage was set up in the ground where 2 trophies were also displayed.
Look, Gattu, that's the trophy for the best Dandiya dancer. One for Mr. Dandiya Champion and one for Miss Dandiya Champion. Yes, Chinky, we will win it.
Gattu and Chinky started dancing to the beats of the music, and Mummy and Papa also joined them. At first, everyone danced with great energy, but after a while, Mummy and Papa got tired and they went to meet some of Papa's office colleagues.
How long it has been? Gattu and Chinky are still dancing. Now almost everyone else is tired. Only few people are still dancing.
Yes, wait. Let me go to Gattu and Chinky and ask them to stop before they get too tired. Papa went to Gattu and Chinky to talk to them. Come on, kids. Come here. You must be tired. But Gattu and Chinky didn't stop and replied with enthusiasm.
No, Papa. We are not coming. Yes, we have to win, Papa.
But
What happened?
look at them. They aren't listening. Just then an announcement echoed. Everyone, please pause dancing for a moment because we will announce the Dandiya Night champions.
Chinky, now we can stop. They're announcing awards. Yes, this will be so much fun, Gattu.
And Mr. Dandiya Night champion is Gattu. And the Miss Dandiya Night champion is Gattu's sister Chinky. Yes, these 2 kids showed incredible skills and won these amazing awards. Hearing this, Gattu and Chinky were overjoyed. They ran to the stage to collect their awards.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, kids. Look at the camera. We'll take a photo with you. And it will be in tomorrow's newspaper.
What? Really? So, can we call Mummy and Papa on the stage too, sir? Yes, Mummy and Papa are right there.
Gattu and Chinky called their mummy and papa to the stage. And they all clicked photos together. This way, the first day of Navratri became even more special for Gattu and Chinky.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.